Watch this shit.
Let's get like one pick. Let's just like get a pick.
He said, "Watch this shit."
Watch this shit.
I'm so scared for what he's about to do.
Take it off.
Dude, what?
What?
Joke's over! You're dead!
Oh
my god, bro, I missed that.
Trash Neon. Get out of my lobby.
Bro, shut up.
Guys.
Once it's off.
Everyone watch out!
I grabbed it. I grabbed the nose.
Yuri doesn't
Hi
have footsteps anymore,
guys.
right? Oh my god.
Oh, fuck this.
He's ready.
Oh.
Can I get
Don't say
on?
anything. Don't say anything.
Oh my god.
Just don't say anything.
Raina!
Ugh.
Rex! T-Rex!
How'd you know your name? What the hell?
Jubby!
No, I'm joking.
Maddie going Silva! He's going Silva, yes he is!
God, I hope somebody fucking forfeits.
Hey, Maddie! Maddie Ice, are you icy with that drip?
I hope you.
Are you playing
Jubby!
I hope somebody.
Oh,
I hope
Maddie!
somebody dodges. I hope somebody dodges.
Maddie, are you a boy or a
Oh
girl?
my god.
I hope he dodges.
Girl.
AverageJoe, this is in my
Oh
game!
my god.
Oh my god, I'm gonna mute this fucking.
Ain't no way.
I made him.
Ayo,
Guys, I'm
Average!
back.
My
Bram!
earbuds just-
Bram!
Oh my god, he's just screaming.
Remy with the
Brim.
stimmy!
Remy with the stimmy. Oh my god.
Oh my
Pocket
god, no,
sage!
Fuck!
Nadim!
No!
Nadim!
No
Nadim!
way! No
Nadim!
way!
Nadim!
No way!
Nadim!
You gotta buy somebody? Blue, let me join.
Don't ask me. Don't talk to me.
Shoot him! He has 2 HP!
Playing time, these motherfuckers are so ass.
Dude, look, they're jumping around, shooting like.
We're done.
What?
No way! No way!
Alright, one last one right there. Oh.
Bro!
Not
Bro! It's okay,
Not
that's round.
I missed it. I missed it.
No, that's not even
Rex,
the problem.
Rex, shh, 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 shh.
Please don't tell him. Please don't tell him. I can't risk this embarrassment.
Oh my god. Bro sliding. Yo.
They're just my healies.
I didn't look. I didn't check.
No way I didn't hit that. No way.
Stop, Messi!
Go. Holy fucking shit! Bro! Come on! Please! Oh.
I watch left, you watch right. What?
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
yeah, yep, they're cheating. Yeah, yep. That's funny.
Yeah, you're
Oh,
gonna
both
die.
there, both
though.
there, both there, both there.
I just saw one, but you're gonna die.
What the fuck?
They're scripting! They're scripting! Careful.
No idea.
I would say push in.
No, I'm waiting for the smoke to dissipate. What? No! I was walking the whole time! He's cheating.
He,
Oh.
yeah. Oh, fuck.
191 hours.
Was like, has to be the.
Press. My cat just pressed the lock screw thing on my thing. My computer looks locked. No!
I'll flashing. Rex, watch out, I'm flashing. Bro, come on!
Blind.
Come, that's your fault, dude. I said it like 4 times. I jetpacked my way to a win. I just worked like 3 people. Did you see
They
that?
just got pushed. They killed everyone in front. I quit.
Did you just die there?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Did you
The
say
snowball
that?
direction moved. Did you see that?
What did I'm No.
What?
Help!
Coming, are we?
There's like 5 different people on me. I'm at 44.
We're coming.
Yep, I'm about to.
Ivy, I'm here.
Yeah.
Did you see me come out of the sky?
More.
Over there! Get him!
I'm good. My fucking address. Shut the fuck up.
That's not true.
It's not true.
I can open 2 more. I guess I'm gonna open all my cases. I guess.
No! Clip that, clip that, clip that.
No! I want to take a pic.
Pic.
That's like the fucking 7th time we've done.
Peak, dude. Thank you.
What the fuck?
Bro, what? Did he
Oh yeah, I saw. I
know. I'm joking.
Yo,
It's
what's
alright.
up, bro? Shut the fuck up!
I'll beat the fuck out of you. I was scoped in a mid from abs.
Yo, fuck.
Holy shit. Holy shit!
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Let me get a gun, let me get a gun, let me get a gun. No, he took the up! No!
Hey, bro, what the
You literally picked it up. You literally picked it up.
That wasn't me who
threw
picked it up.
Yeah. I
It was
jumped.
never my. I swear, like, it was gone before I got there.
Mattine.
It was gone before
I
I
jumped
got
on the
there.
op. I already had a gun. I saw you pick it up and you threw it. And
I'm
then
gonna
picked
peek
up
so
that
call
sword.
my lord.
I will instant replay the fuck out of this. It was
Instant
gone
replay.